47. The Choice. In Joshua 24:15, Joshua summons Israel to make up its mind whom they will serve, whether it be God or something else. He begins with these words, "And if it seem evil unto you to serve the Lord, choose you this day whom ye will serve." We can paraphrase this. If it seems wrong or harmful to you to serve God with all your being, make a choice now as to whom you will serve. In other words, stop halting between two opinions. Centuries later, Elijah confronts the people with a like challenge. How long halt ye between two opinions? If the Lord be God, follow him, but if Baal, then follow him. And the people answered him not a word. 1 Kings 18:21. The spirit of compromise was deep in them. Today, we have a like unwillingness to make the choice. People are unwilling to commit themselves clearly and openly for or against the Lord. They prefer to halt between two opinions and to be responsible for neither. Throughout history, such a spirit of compromise has been the prelude to the death of a society. When men are unwilling to take a stand for their faith, they quickly disappear into irrelevance, and more earnest men take their places. We live in an era which calls for courage and resolute choices, not moral indecision. Our crisis is very real, and so too is the summons. Choose you this day whom you will serve.